it's alright. I really leave people at the green light. Drive all the nice cars, get anything you want. Study hard, put a profit out in real life. I'm high as a kite, what it feel like? I'm a genius, thinking for the whole night. Go to sleep and I'm dreaming again. And I dream when I wake and I dream when I trade. But I know it's a good life. Takes time now to reach up to new heights. In the dark, but I know that I see light. Trying to show these kids now in my city, it don't matter where you at. You don't gotta live the hood life. Hood life, hood life, don't hood life, don't hood life. Trying to show these kids now in my city, it don't matter where you at. You don't gotta live the hood life.
Bad hair day today. What's going on, traders? I hope you all having a wonderful time. It's Rafael back at the charts again. And in today's video, I want to talk about Friday's trading day. I took a sell on Dow Jones that I've shared with the inner circle of our team. So let's talk about why I took this trade. I made around 160,000 on this one. This is around a little bit more than 2%, 2.5%, something like that. And it was a pretty nice trade, guys. Overall, if you look at the bigger picture on this is a 2-hour time frame. Overall, it was looking like the market really wants to achieve lower lows, want to blast through these lows and maybe target this equal lows in here. So on Friday, I really was looking for a sell entry. I mean, the days before that, I was trying to buy it because it was looking like it wants to move through this equal highs in here, but the market changed the direction, so I had to change as well. I need to read the market and let the market tell me what to do. So on Friday I changed direction, started to sell. On Thursday I took a sell as well. But yeah, let's talk about the sell on Friday, how I was setting it up and what kind of confirmation I was waiting for. So let's go to the lower time frames. Well, as you can see, the market on Friday was kind of consolidating, but when the New York session started, you can see the volume is going up. So this is when the New York session started, when the algorithm started working. Let's go to a little bit lower time frame. Let's check the 1 minute chart. So what was happening, guys? We built a bullish structure over here, a little bit consolidation zone, compression zone in here. But then the market dropped pretty heavy, as you can see, like a strong move. As soon as the volume was going up, they pushed the price down like crazy. You see that? So all I was waiting for is to get back into this zone in here to take my sell entry. And the beautiful thing was that before that, they pulled some sellers into the market, fucked them up. Pulled some more sellers into the market. I mean, they pulled some buys into the market as well and then fucked them up. Pulled some sellers into the market, then fucked them up. Pulled some buyers into the market, and then I was ready for my sell. And as soon as I saw that they start to bring the price back down after they took the liquidity in here, I was selling this thing and I was writing it down. And of course, my ultimate target on this one was the double bottom in here. I thought we can get a big drop, but on the way to achieve this target, I mean, this is a pretty long way. So of course I took profits along the way. I took some profits. Let me show you real quick. I took some profits in here, and then I took some profits in here. And then I just had one position running. That means like 95% of my position was already closed. I just let one runner run with stop at break even. I nearly got stopped out. But yeah, on Monday, today, I got stopped out with this last position. Unfortunately, I had my stop around break even. So I had my stop in here, got stopped out. Now the market turned around again, keeps dropping. Let's see what we have for this trading week. Let's see what we have for this trading session on Monday today. I'm not really sure for right now if we are going to face lower lows, but it looks like we keep continuing to drop. It looks pretty bearish to me, all that stuff. So let's see, maybe we can find a nice bearish entry today, but we will see. I have to check what the market is telling me when the session started, how they move the price, and then I will make my decision based off of that, guys. Yeah, that's it for today. If you need any help, check links in the description. Drop me a private message if you want on Telegram. I'm happy to help you guys when I have time. I love to chat with you guys, help you out no problem for me. And yeah, join the free Telegram channel as well, link is in the description, guys. Wish you a wonderful start in the week and a profitable trading week, and have fun, guys. Enjoy the ride. See you later.
What you know, every time I, my body, you know.